Assalamu alaikum. Today you are going to learn how and where to take measurements for a khimar. These measuring placements can be used for both child and adult because you are literally measuring the same area. Get yourself a cloth measuring tape. It should look something like this. Starting from the beginning, you're going to measure across your forehead from one earlobe to the other earlobe. Then underneath your chin, again from under one earlobe to the other. Make sure it's not too tight. To measure the back length of the khimar, you will start at your hairline. If you're wearing hijab, do not start here. No, start at your hairline and measure all the way to your desired length. For the front length of the khimar, you will measure right up under your chin, all the way down to your desired length. You can make these as short or as long as you want. Next, you see how this stops at my elbows. What you're going to do to get this is measure the top of your head all the way down to your collarbone. Make sure you don't tilt your head like this. Keep it straight. Measure from the top all the way to your collarbone, not your neck, your collarbone. Then you're going to hold it there and hold your hand straight. You can either stop at your elbow or you can drag it as long as you want it to be. Or the standard way, you can just measure from wrist to wrist. Hold it like this and just extend it all the way across, and you can basically just use this measurement instead. For the band, you're going to start at your hairline, measure down to however long you want it to be, or you can use these measurements for standard. For the length of the ropes that you're going to use to tie, you can use this standard or make it as long as you want. That concludes the tutorial on how and where to measure. Stay tuned on how to sew. We will use these exact measurements. Go ahead and subscribe, like, and turn on the notification to be notified whenever I do post the sewing tutorial for the khimar.